928 homework. Kroger sells 72-ounce Gatorade for $4.69. What is the unit rate rounded to the nearest hundred? I will definitely underline that because that is important. The nearest hundred. So I want to set it up by having the cost divided by the ounces. So that means 469 is going to be divided by 72. Again, 0 decimal place, you know it can't go in there as well. So 469 divided by 72 is going to give you 0.065. If I take that 0.65, understand that the 6 is in the hundreds, look to the right, so the correct answer is 7 cents. Number 2, order the numbers from least to greatest. So this is negative 0.60, 0.66, negative 0.90, 0.5, and of course put the 0, and then negative 0.75. So we're asked to go from least to greatest, which means that we have to always remember negatives come before positive numbers. So I'm looking just at these negative numbers, and the least, or the smaller in value, is the further away from 0. So negative 9/10 is first, followed by negative 3/4, negative 3/5, 1/2, and lastly 2/3. We should have recognized number 3 because we've seen it before. We're asked to find the unit rate for this purchase, and that we're at 4, so we're again dividing the cost by the amount of CDs. So that means 25 is being divided by 4. 4 cannot go into 2. 4 can go into 25 6 times, which is 24. When you subtract and get 1, you are not finished. You have to remember this is a decimal place. So I bring the decimal place up in my answer, add a 0, bring it down. 4 goes into 10 2 times, which is 8. Subtract 2, add another 0, bring it down. 4 goes into 20 5 times. So the answer here is $6.25. Number 4, Hannah went shopping at Food King and bought 2 candy bars at $1.49 each. I would underline that. Keyword there is each. 6 apples that were 29 cents each. Again, that keyword there is each. And although that was a typo, it was 2 pints of milk for $1.19 each. If Hannah paid with a $10 bill, how much change? It's bold, it's underlined, don't mess up, should she receive? So the first thing I want to do is know that I'm going to have to multiply 2 times $1.49 plus 6 times 29 cents plus 2 times $1.19. If I do that, I'm going to add these up. We should have gotten $7.10. And you ask how much change should she receive. So $10, notice I'm putting my decimal places, minus $7.10. 0 minus 0 is 0. I'm going to have to borrow from the 1, making this 0. This technically becomes a 9 because I borrow again. 10 minus 1 is 9, decimal place. 9 minus 7 is 2. So the answer here is $2.90. Number 5, the weight of an object on Mars is 2/5 of its weight on Earth. How much would 2.5-pound cat weigh on Mars? So this is a multiplication problem. So we're going to be multiplying 2/5 times 20.5, which means I have to convert 20.5 to an improper fraction. So I rewrite it as 2/5 times 2 times 20 is 40, plus 1 is 41 over 2. Top times top, bottom times bottom, 2 times 41, 5 times 2. Notice that we have the 2's in common, so I can cross cancel, making them 1's. 1 times 41 is 41. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 goes into 41 8 times, which is 8 times 5 is 40. 41 minus 40 leaves you with 1 over 5. So the answer here is 8 1/5. Remember, multiplication of fractions, you will be seeing this again on the STAR test. Great job.